Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 5 sine t. So if I put this one gone here, we have 5 sine t square number 5. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to use about first derivative for the both sides, and we have the square root of number 5 cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change by this one. Now we simplify the square root of number 5 and the square root of number 5. This one we have 5 sine t square. Number 5, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, we have cosine t. Cosine t, we simplify. And now I will put this one go outside. This one we have cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 5. And now you got about t equals to arc sine of this one. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.